What up, everybody? Today we're going to be going over Neoxa. Like I said before in my previous video, I'm trying to get up to 1,000,000 Neoxa so I can run my own smart node, but I'm poor as hell. So I'm going to show you all of my favorite ways a poor person can go about getting 1,000,000 Neoxa. We're also going to look at the current price of 1,000,000 Neoxa. We're going to go over some charts, mining profitability if you were to go the mining route, nodes, and then I also have one secret way that will help you earn a crap ton of Neoxa. It is kind of a grind. It's a little bit of effort, but it's definitely worth it. You can stack Neoxa like really quick with it, I would say. Something definitely worth checking out. I'll have that later on in the video. Like always, please like and subscribe. Comment down below what you guys are using to acquire Neoxa, whether it's staking nodes, mining, if you're mining, what graphics cards are you using for Neoxa, what node pool are you using for Neoxa. Also, if you haven't, I would definitely recommend you guys getting on Neoxa Gaming, just because it's filling up super fast. The faster it fills up, the less rewards you get for it. And use my referral link down below and get on Neoxa Gaming. Let's get into it. Okay, so as you guys know, Neoxa is a proof of work coin that also has smart nodes. They have a play to earn and a stream to earn. We're not going to focus too much on that. If you guys want to learn more about that, check out my previous video. Also use my link for it because that'll help you out and it'll help me out. Currently, Neoxa is sitting at 0.0032 cents with a market cap rank of 1,068, which is like actually kind of cool. We're currently, let's check it out for the 90 days. Neox is up 200% on the year, 2.5% in the last 24 hours. We're going to get more in depth into the chart in a second. Currently over on hashrate.no, Neoxa is actually fairly profitable. Let me know if you guys are GPU mining Neoxa and whatnot, because I've been looking at getting some graphics card. I want to know what graphics cards you guys are using for it, what graphics cards you guys are thinking about getting for it. I'm definitely thinking like a 6800. It's good on Neoxa. It's good on other K1pool based algorithm coins. Definitely what I'm looking at. I would like to get more NVIDIA GPUs, but K1pool algorithms have been popping off lately and NVIDIA is not that good at it. But NVIDIA does get the price, but they got the power for the price. I'm not going to focus too much more on that. Also, one thing I wanted to point out, if Neoxa were able to make it to the top 500, it would be worth 1 penny, which means Neoxa getting to 10 cents would not be that hard in the next bull run. And especially for it to get to 1 penny would be 4.5x, which is not unheard of in the crypto bull run. So that's one thing to keep in mind with Neoxa, which is why I'm going out of my way to stack as much Neoxa as possible. If you want to be a crypto Neoxa millionaire, the number one thing you should do is like and subscribe. Comment down below how you guys are acquiring Neoxa so we can get rich and buy all the Neoxa. We're going to take a quick look over at the Neoxa chart. One thing I think is really cool, I dropped a couple videos on my charting in the previous videos. I am no charting pro by any means, but with just basic charting skills, you can read a chart relatively well. And it'll definitely help you predict price action, which as a crypto miner, I could see as a really good skill to acquire, which is why over in that, we're learning how to do it. Go check out those videos. So when we first drew out this chart, we were around here in this range. We pulled this range out of the air using the resistance from over here, which actually played out really nicely. Had you shorted up here, bought down here, you would have done actually relatively well. But I think we drew it over here. So had you shorted it here, could have made some profits here. Would have been really nice. But we're not pro charters. But as you guys can see, we're riding this line of resistance really, really hard. I have not gotten too hard into looking at RSI, but the RSI is low. So we could potentially, in the next pump, easily start going back to fighting around this 0.041 range, which I think is definitely in the realm of possibility for Neoxa. We did have this really straightforward run up here. So yeah, we're just in a reconsolidation. So I'm not worried about Neoxa. I'm still staking Neoxa. I was buying up over at 0.005. I'm going to buy at 0.001. So, I've been playing Neoxa Fortnite and doing all that funness. So far, I've earned 437.9 Neoxa. One thing I will point out, I do not play this religiously. I'm not a big Fortnite player, but I like the fact that I can de-stress play video games and earn Neoxa. One thing I will point out is the amount of linked wallets is definitely raising up pretty fast, which means more people are getting on it, which means more people on it, less rewards, all that fun jazz. I do plan on, we'll probably do videos later on in the future. If you guys want to see me sign up for some of the other ones, let me know. We'll get some videos on those. I also could possibly test out the stream to earn. Could be cool. But I've earned 437 Neoxa so far. That would put us at, I've earned $1.43 at current prices, which isn't half bad. So that's how much I've earned through the Neoxa Play2Earn. Also, I have been slowly accumulating Neoxa through selling out some of my mining rewards. I have a lot of iPolos mining. Those are the truth for broke man mining. Currently have around 220 Neoxa. My estimated daily earnings is 27 cents, $220 worth of Neoxa. Currently have earning 27 cents a day, which is 81 Neoxa. I'm more focused on getting this number up than that number, just because. And one thing I will say, I have my Neoxa Play2Earn linked to my inode, so anytime that does a payout, it gets paid right out into my inodes, which starts compounding and staking and getting me more Neoxa. So that's the first one. Here in a second, I'm going to show you this other way I've been getting Neoxa, and it's actually been really worth it, but we're going to finish with this. So like I said, I'm trying to get to 1 million Neoxa. Right now I'm at 65,000 and I've got a long way to go. But since I've started doing this, I've earned 997 Neoxa, not including the Neoxa I've earned. So just between these two, I've earned over 1,000 Neoxa. I have some onboarding from playing Fortnite earlier. If you want to check out the clips, I'll post some of the clips at the end of this video. But the number one way to, the number one tool I've been using to accumulate Neoxa is this. And you can only have it if you like and subscribe and comment down below something, is FreeCash. I've done a video on FreeCash earlier on. Most people use it. Okay, we're going to start off with FreeCash is. You play games on your phones, on your computer, sign up for stuff. They pay you out money. You get ad revenue for that, for completing those tasks. As you can see, I've completed 69 offers, and this is all for me. As you can see, there's one referral right there. So total, I've earned $576. I did a challenge to see if I could buy a graphics card. And then in the last 30 days, I've earned 223. Yes, playing on here is a grind, but it is definitely worth it. And here's what you do. You complete the task. Once you complete the task, you'll see right soon I have $51 I can withdraw. I can withdraw $3 right now. We're going to start doing giveaways from this, and because it's free and I play video games, so it's cool. So what you're going to do, and actually we'll go and check because I'm kind of curious. This withdrawal will get paid out. Ooh, 1 second. In 2 days. So 2 days is when I get that payout. What I'm going to do is you come over here, either you can pick your preferred method depending on how much you have in there. I definitely recommend going with either Litecoin or Dogecoin. I go with Dogecoin personally. I put in my exchange wallet right there, and then you send the Doge. You send it in there. You exchange the Doge over on whatever exchange you're using. You then send that to your inodes, and then easy, free crypto into your inodes, free Neoxa. I've also been messing around with BlockX because the yields on it are really nice, and I can see really good potential. If you guys would like to see me do a video on BlockX, just like, subscribe, comment down below. Yes, I'm pushing the liking and subscribing really hard, but we're trying to get to 200 subscribers. We just broke 100, so 200, here we come. So that's the video. You guys yeah, trying to make some more good videos, all the fun stuff. Peace out.